What's up, everyone? It's Mac. Today was Thursday, February 13th, 2025. I'm going to go over my one trade I took today. I took one trade right here, and it was a winner. So let's go through it. So this morning's news was PPI. This is the news candle. Big shoot up, wicked back down, then built back up. Got a buy signal here. I think this actually would have ended up being a loss if I had taken it early, but again, I don't take trades till after here, and I've not been taking them here. I'm gonna wait until after the open. So here's the open candle. It was pretty bullish. We're still on a buy. Another bullish candle, but hits this snow line, comes back. Then we get this big drop, and this one closes below the 21 and VWAP, and it started to turn neutral but stayed green. Then this one comes back, closes above all the MAs. So this would have been a pretty good spot to enter, but not quite where I wanted to be just yet. Come up, doji back down, close right here at VWAP. So we're still kind of choppy right here. Then we get another close above with a buyer's wick, and then this candle was a strong close above the EMAs. I wanted to take this trade, but I hesitated. I didn't click as soon as I wanted to, and we were already up here, and by that time it was too late. So I did not take this trade. So come back up, hit this snow line, start to reject again, close right on it, and had another big down candle, which touched the 21, wicked back, closed above all the EMAs again. Now's where I'm getting interested. Like, okay, now's my chance. I could have taken here, but I wanted a little more wiggle room back to this snow line since we rejected it 2 times. So I'll wait for this candle to come back, touch, and it starts coming back up. Once it comes back up, I entered. I did not enter on a close. I entered in the middle of a candle. And Kyle actually signaled along in this area too with high strike. Now, I kept my standard risk reward. I took my 30-point loss for a 45.5 take profit, which is what I hit. In fact, as soon as we hit the 30 points for the 1-to-1, it very quickly hit the next 15, so I didn't even have time to move my target if I wanted to. But I kind of figured we were going to reject here again, but then this candle was a strong close above, and we never stopped. We just kept on going until we reached this skyline just above 22,000 and started to go sideways. So we come back, we're neutral, coming down. There's no signals, and by this point in the day, it's after 12 o'clock. I'm like, we're probably not going to get another signal till power hour. And, got a bit choppy, and I knew Trump was supposed to speak here at 1 o'clock. And Trump speaking is like Jerome Powell speaking. It's going to be volatile. There's going to be moves that are wild. This actually wasn't that bad. We got a strong down candle here, but then came back up. This was a sell signal. I think it got really close to a stop. Again, I did not take this. I was already locked out of my account. I think it held here and then hit the 1-to-1. Then it would have been a break-even trade anyway, right here. Then we get a long right here after 2 o'clock, and it eventually becomes a win. But again, I don't take those trades. So today I took one trade, and it was not a traditional trade. It was technically a bounce off the 21, but I did not enter on the close right here where I wanted to, which this still would have been good. It would have held the stop and would have eventually hit the target. So I'm happy with this trade. It was a win. Strong day for all 3 accounts. $810 total. So that's pretty good for one little trade across 3 accounts. Tomorrow's Friday. Got to be cautious on a Friday. Kyle always says, don't lose your ass on a Friday because it will ruin your weekend. So I'm going to stay like this. I'm going to be conservative. I'm going to be cautious. And I am working on another way to make entries using the bag indicator. I kind of hinted at it yesterday with a trade I took. I've been doing some back testing, and I think it's going to work out. So I'm going to make another video for that one pretty soon if it starts to play out. Again, this is Mac. NQ Futures, the bag indicator. Like and subscribe, and I'll give you some more.